Welcome to this Kylas Sales CRM tutorial. If you're looking for a powerful yet easy to use CRM that helps streamline your sales process, customer management, and team collaboration, Kylas Sales CRM might be the perfect solution for you. So, what is Kylas Sales CRM? Kylas Sales CRM is a growth focused customer relationship management platform designed for small and mid sized businesses. It offers an intuitive and scalable system to help businesses manage leads, track sales pipelines, automate workflows, and improve customer interactions all in one place. Whether you're a sales team, startup, or growing business, Kyla's Sales CRM provides the tools you need to close deals faster, track performance, and enhance productivity. So now let's get started. So simply head over to Kyla's official website and you can try their CRM for free. So simply click on try it free and sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here. So as you can see, you will be greeted by your default dashboard. So you will see this organized dashboard right here where you will see all of the data regarding your work. So as you can see, you will see all the leads right here, your new leads, leads that need attention, pending activities, and leads with no planned activities. You can also see your deal sections right here if you have new deals. Again, deals that need attention, no planned activities. You can also see all of your tasks, your call logs, and your emails. So, what's good about this dashboard is you will see all of your work in a single dashboard like this. You can also filter it out using their calendar right here. And of course, you can always create a new table if you want. So as you can see, you can add a new dashlet. So just feel free to explore more about how or what you want to add in your dashboard. And now you can also see your tasks right here on the right side. You can always add new tasks like this. So simply fill up this information right here, such as the task name, the type, the description, due date assigned to, click on save, and it will now pop up right here in your tasks. You can also view if you have meetings scheduled for today or meetings scheduled for tomorrow. So that's basically how your dashboard will look like. Next, we have the leads section. So in this section, you will see all of your leads or all of the leads that you have added. So if you want to add new leads, of course, simply click on add right here in the top right. And you can add them manually. As you can see, you can add their first name, their last name, who's the owner of this lead. You can add their emails and phone numbers and simply click on save to save that lead. Next is we have the deals. So of course, again, you will see all of your deals in this table right here. Of course, you can always add new deals again by clicking on the top right. Now enter all of this information such as the name, owner, the pipeline, your contacts, pipeline stage, company, and of course the product or services and the campaign information, which is optional. Now, if you're done filling up all of this information, simply click on save and you've now saved a new deal. Next, we have our contacts. So again, you will see all of your contacts right here. So if you want to add a new contact, again, simply click on add. Fill up all of this information right here. So it's more just the same as adding leads. So fill up this information, click on save, and you're good to go. Next, we have the company section. So again, this is just basic CRM. So again, just add new companies. And from here, they have different information. So you'll need to add the name, annual revenue, number of employees, website, communication, and location. So, what's the purpose of these companies is that you can add a company, and of course, you can always filter out your contacts and leads whether they belong to this specific company. Next is quotations. So we also have quotations right here. So you'll see all of your quotations right here. And yep, I forgot to mention, you can always filter all of this information right here. So let's say you want to filter the quotation status. You can select wrap text, clip text, freeze column, and you can always drag and drop them wherever you want or wherever you like. Now to add a quotation, again, just click on add quotation and you will be redirected to a page. You can see add quotation. So it's not working as of now. So basically, you're just going to add new quotations. So next, we have our tasks. Again, we can create new tasks right here. This is the main page for the tasks. But also, you can always see your tasks in your dashboard. So if I want to add a task right here, I'll always fill up this information, assign them to a team member, and click on save. Next, we have our meetings. So here you will see all of your meetings. So no meetings found. You can always add new meetings. Now from here, just select the time and the date. Click on save, create a title for this meeting, and invite the members to for this meeting. So just fill up all of this information, click on save, and you're good to go. Next, we have our call logs. So you can see call logs or emails. We'll see it all right here. Next is reports. As you can see, these are the reports given by Kylas CRM, so you can always read all of them right here. So that's basically all of the features of Kylas Sales CRM. So as you can see, it's pretty much easy to understand. So just feel free to explore more about how you can use these features for your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.